The 2025 Honda Rebel 300 is here, and it continues to be one of the most accessible and stylish entry-level cruisers on the market. With its minimalist design, lightweight frame, and approachable ergonomics, the Rebel 300 makes a solid impression on both new riders and those looking for an easy-going daily cruiser. Powered by a 286cc single-cylinder engine, the Rebel 300 offers smooth power delivery that's perfect for city commutes and relaxed highway cruising. It's not overly aggressive, which makes it ideal for beginners, but it still provides enough punch to make the ride fun and engaging. The fuel injection system ensures efficient performance, while the 6-speed transmission shifts smoothly through the gears, giving riders full control of their experience. Stylistically, the 2025 model keeps the same modern body look with a few refinements. The low-slung frame, wide handlebars, and fat tires give it a tough yet laid-back attitude. Honda has also introduced some new color options this year, adding a bit more personality and customization potential. It's a bike that looks great stock but also invites mods if that's your thing. One of the Rebel's biggest advantages is its rider comfort. With a seat height of just 27.2 inches, it's super accessible to shorter riders, and the mid-mounted footpegs and upright seating position help reduce fatigue during longer rides. The suspension is tuned for comfort, soaking up road bumps fairly well, though it's still a smaller bike, so don't expect touring-level plushness. Braking comes from a front and rear disc setup with optional apps for added safety, and the digital LCD display gives you all the essential info you need without any clutter. It's simple, clean, and easy to read, fitting the overall stripped-down aesthetic of the bike. In terms of pricing, the Rebel 300 remains competitively affordable, making it one of the best values in the lightweight cruiser category. It's also cheap to maintain and gets excellent fuel mileage, which adds to its appeal for students, commuters, and weekend warriors alike. If you're looking for a bike that's easy to ride, stylish, and built with Honda's legendary reliability, the 2025 Rebel 300 is hard to beat. Whether you're just getting into motorcycles or you want a fun second bike that won't break the bank, the Rebel continues to prove why it's a top pick in the lightweight cruiser world. Thanks for watching. Don't forget like, comment and subscribe.